Ready to turn your average Discord GIFs into meme masterpieces with perfectly timed captions. First, find the GIF you want to caption. You can grab one from online or use one you already have saved. I'm using this hilarious cat GIF, but the choice is all yours. Now, before hitting send, click in the text box like you're about to type a message. This is where the magic happens. Simply type out your caption. Think of something witty, relevant, or maybe even completely absurd. The possibilities are endless. For example, I'm typing me trying to adult. Once you're happy with your caption, go ahead and hit that send button. And just like that, your GIF is now rocking a caption. See how my text now appears right above the GIF I sent. This works with any GIF and any caption you can dream up. Try out different fonts and styles to make your captions stand out even more, if your Discord server allows it. For different fonts and styles, check your server's settings to see what customization options are available. So go forth, caption your GIFs, and bring the laughter to your Discord server. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks.